Welcome to Trendy Unboxing.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then subscribe our channel.
Today I have Vicco Vajradanti Tooth Powder with me. This powder is very good for your gums. First, let's speak about the product. This is how packaging of the product look like. And it's an ayurvedic medicine. There are many products of Vicco Vajradanti available in the market like toothpaste, face cream, face wash and so on. Let's see what they have given on the packaging. They have given the ingredient list. I am going to read out the ingredient list for you. Babool, Jambur, Lavang, Manjishta, Dalchini, Bor, Vajradanti, Akrod, Kher, Patang, Bakul, Cheshtamad, Kebab Chini, Anant Mool, Maifal, Trifada, Harda terminalia chebula, fruit powder, Behada terminalia, Bellerica, Ajwan, Akkal Kadha, alum, salt and excipients. Excipient means inactive substance that serves as a substance for a drug. Below, they have given that this product is for sale only in India, Mauritius and SAARC countries. Over packaging only, you will able to see picture of happy family which is depicting that they must be using Vicco Vajradanti tooth powder. And according to them, Vicco Vajradanti is a family product and manufactured by Vicco Laboratories. Here you will able to see they have given the tagline, teeth are wealthy when gums are healthy. For maximum retail price, batch number, manufacturing date, expiry date, they say that you have to see bottom. The cost of Vicco Vajradanti is Rs 53. The manufacturing date is March 2020 and the expiry date is February 2022. Here you will able to see the net weight of the product, that is 50 grams. And if you have any query or you want to ask anything about the product, then you can contact to them by writing them on their email ID and even you can call them. They have given their number. They have given little information about the product. Vicco Vajradanti. Vicco Vajradanti prevents tooth decay and cures pyorrhea, swollen gums, bleeding gums and inflammation of gums. It also used in hardening of gums and teeth, cleansing and healing of wounds and toothache. It does not contain chalk or coal. And for ideal result, massage gums gently for 2 minutes and rinse after 5 minutes. Vicco is not tested on animals and no animal ingredient are used in this product. Now let's know what are the benefits. If you are facing toothache, cavity problems, gum problem, then after applying this tooth powder, you will get rid of all these problems. If you have sensitivity issue, then it will cure that also. If you are facing bleeding problem, then after one use only, you will feel the difference. It adds shines to your teeth. Your teeth will get stronger if you use this tooth powder on regular basis. No matter guys what problem you face of teeth, it will cure all of that. If you face problem like mouth ulcer, then do use this tooth powder. It will cure that problem also. This product is ayurvedic. Now let's unbox this and see how it looks from inside. Guys, this is my second bottle. I've already finished off with the first bottle. So this is how this powder looks like. If you want better result, then you can use this powder thrice in a day. First early in the morning, then after your lunch and after your dinner. So in this way your teeth will feel fresh throughout the day. The aroma of the product is quite attractive, as once you open the product you will definitely try to use this. Anyone can use this product. There are no side effects. The ingredients used in this product are totally ayurvedic. The thing, if you can't use this product thrice in a day, then I recommend you at least early in the morning use Vicco toothpaste. I have already put video on Vicco Vajradanti Toothpaste. Check out the link down. And then after dinner at night, instead of using toothpaste, you can use this powder. You will able to purchase this product at nearby supermarket or any general store or medical store. Even I have given the purchase link in the description box below. So that's all in this video, guys. Do give it a try to this product and get rid of all tooth problems. And do let me know your views in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.